Jack, come back. Jack, come back. Magnus, Millie. Jack, toward mommy, right now. If you fall backwards, I don't know how deep that is. Get back here. Charlie, he's not listening.
They want to see me like this.
Get up here. Thank you. Is Millie okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
I don't know, Charlie. Let's go.
She's fine, baby. Don't freak out. She doesn't like water in her ears, and she gets all freaked out when she gets water in her ears. You'll see her start doing flips and shit in the water and getting all crazy. It's just completely funny.
What's the matter, baby? Oh, your money. Piece of wood, maybe? Alright guys, let's go dry off.
I love this.
Away from the puppies. Elvis, come on.
Dude, that's not even deep enough for their sending for Elvis to go under.
It's not like this. Like this. Okay?
Come on.
Magnus, Millie!
Are we leaving?
Yeah, we're gonna go up.
Mommy, are we leaving?
Yes, in a couple minutes.
What's that, Chris?